Altitude incident forces Medview aircraft to make emergency landing in Lagos. Barely 24 hours after an Air Peace aircraft made an emergency landing at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport in Lagos, another aircraft belonging to Medview Airlines recorded a similar problem on Tuesday. The incident is the latest in a series of air-related emergencies and security breaches that have characterized the airport in the past 3 weeks. It happened after the altitude warning went off mid-air, forcing the deployment of oxygen masks and the initiation of an emergency landing. The aircraft, a Boeing 737-500 with registration number 5 Newtons BQM, carried out the descent procedure to the Lagos airport as passengers on board panicked. In a statement after the incident, Tunji Aketunbi, General Manager, Public Affairs, Accident Investigation Bureau, AVE, said that the incident occurred at 3:07 p.m. Aketunbi said the Bureau was notified of the incident by the airline, adding that its investigators had commenced work immediately to unravel the cause of the incident. He said, "From the information gathered so far, cabin altitude warning came on at FL 320 followed by deployment of oxygen masks, which necessitated the crew to carry out emergency descent procedure. Our team of safety investigators has commenced an investigation. As the investigating agency, AVE needs and hereby solicits for your assistance. We want the public to know that we would be amenable to receiving any video clip, relevant evidence, or information any members of the public may have of the accident, that can assist us with this investigation." He called on the general public and the media to respect the privacy of the people involved and not assume the cause of the accident until a formal report was released.